how to remove the Fiat 500X steering wheel airbag. This is not a complete guide, it's just to show you how to remove the steering wheel airbag from position. Now, this is how it looks. Underneath on the steering wheel, there are two holes, alright? With a flathead screwdriver that's pretty big, like the one I'm holding, what you're going to do is, I've already removed the airbag, you need to push these in on the sides of the airbag itself, okay? These on either side. Now from underneath, simultaneously, you need to go in like in that position, straight upwards, okay? So straight through there, and then once you go to the middle, you turn it, and that will push in the sides of the steering wheel, the airbag. So it will push in these sections here on both sides, and then it will unclip from position.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.